Poland signs offset deals with Boeing and GE Aerospace worth more than $250 million. The Polish Ministry of National Defense has signed significant offset deals with Boeing and GE Aerospace, valued at approximately $255 million, bringing Poland closer to finalizing a $12 billion agreement to purchase 96 AH-64E Apache helicopters. The deals, announced on Monday, mark a critical step in Poland's strategy to bolster its military capabilities. Offset agreements are designed to benefit the purchasing country by fostering cooperation between the supplier and domestic companies. In this case, the agreements aim to enhance Poland's defense readiness and security. The Polish Army is about to acquire these helicopters, which will really strengthen our readiness and our security in the face of what is happening beyond the borders of the Republic of Poland, particularly the war in Ukraine, said Deputy Defense Minister Pawel Bejda. The offset deal with Boeing, valued at PLN 400 million $102 million, includes maintenance support for the AH-64E Apache helicopters and training for their maintenance. Meanwhile, the agreement with GE Aerospace worth PLN 530 million $135 million, will focus on providing engine support for the Apaches and power units for other Polish military helicopters. These agreements are part of Poland's broader offset strategy related to the Apache helicopter purchase, first announced in September 2022. The strategy aims to ensure that Polish companies play a significant role in servicing and maintaining the new aircraft. In August 2023, the U.S. approved the sale of the 96